Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelly. This is going to be my first ever clean with me video. It's kind of a little embarrassing just because of the amount of mess that there is. My excuse is that I work a lot and I work pretty late in the evening, so when I come home I kind of just leave things wherever they land, and then I'll clean them up like on my day off or so. I already did my dishes, so I had some dishes. I already washed those. I used the dishwasher to dry them. Let me know if you do the same, just because I don't like drying racks out and I try to have like the least amount of things out as possible. I already put my groceries away. I need to put all these like odds and ends and like stuff from work away and wipe these countertops down. I need to go ahead and put some laundry in the washer and clean up the rest of this place. So throw on your favorite music, and if you like these types of clean with me videos, if you find them satisfying, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, let's get started.
I just want the simple things to smoke with me, baby. Laugh with me, baby. To smoke with me, baby. And I just want the simple things. I just want you. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I want you. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I want you. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I want you.
Glass top stove and you find it hard to clean, check out this Wyman glass cooktop heavy duty cleaner and polish. You just squirt it directly onto the stovetop and then just like scrub it with a paper towel, and you'll see like all the dirt come off of it, and you don't have to wet anything. Just keep rubbing it. It'll clean everything off and it makes it look brand new. It's amazing. And now back to our regularly scheduled programming.
I don't need
Okay, so I am finished cleaning for today. I got a lot accomplished. I cleaned the entire kitchen, washed all the dishes, the countertops are done, groceries reorganized. I cleaned out the fridge, found some stuff in the freezer that I didn't know was in there, so I'll be cooking that. Doing laundry, I'll finish the rest of this later. And then cleaned up this living room and straightened, cleaned all of that, cleaned the dining area up nicely. I need to water my plant. Also cleaned the guest bedroom up a lot. This is my puzzle here, then I have to start all over. And I also cleaned the master bedroom for the most part. I still need to clean the bathrooms, but I despise cleaning bathrooms, so I'm gonna have to take another day to do that just because it's like 5 o'clock. I don't want to do it right now. And then I need to organize some more things on my desk over there. I also dusted, but I need to mop the floors because we had like a little get together a couple weeks ago, and I need to mop the floors. I'll do that maybe later on tonight. And I do need to vacuum both bedrooms and this rug here. But for the most part, at least everything is tidy and put away, and it looks, you know, clean like I like it. Yeah. Ooh, I am greasy. Why do I look so shiny? All right, so that's everything. If you enjoy these types of videos and find them satisfying, then thumbs up. Yeah, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.